Hey there, how you going? It's Mark here, and first of all, I just want to welcome you to this video. And what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to review a new product that recently come out that right now you can actually get free access to it, and I will put a link below in the description where you can go ahead and join this system. It's called the Funnel Franchise System. It is pretty much an all-in-one affiliate marketing automated system that allows you to do multiple things. First of all, it's going to allow you to build an email list, and it has multiple streams of income that you can generate. And the beautiful part of it is all those income streams are actually sold by the system. The setup process is very easy, probably take you 20 minutes to a half an hour to get it all set up, and then you're pretty much ready to go and you can start driving traffic. And it even has training on every single aspect of affiliate marketing that you could possibly imagine, right? It is absolutely amazing. So first of all, I'm going to show you quickly just a little bit of around the members area, and then stick around because I'm going to show you how you can get free access to it, the steps, and some of the additional training that you're going to get there, and one other option that I'll reveal towards the end of this video. So first of all, as you can see right now, I'm in the home page of the Funnel Franchise System. And first of all, with the homepage, you can come down here, watch the videos, and you can actually join a Facebook group. So they have a Facebook group where you can get help, ask questions, share your results, all that sort of cool stuff is in there as well. And then you've got the system setup, which is really quite easy. Okay, so you've got the funnel setup, which honestly, the funnel is pretty much done for you. That's the beautiful part of it. You've got your email automation. So how do you collect the leads? And they even give you a follow-up sequences that go out based on an action that a person takes. Step-by-step training showing you how to do that. Really, really easy. And then you've got your income stream setup. So you actually just go ahead and enter your income streams into the system. And then when you invite people to join it and they go ahead and purchase any of the tools or the resources recommended throughout the training, well, guess what? You get those affiliate commissions, and a lot of them are recurring commissions. So you can build that recurring income, which is really, really, really quite important. And the best part here is you do not need to sell anything. You don't need to know how to sell anything. It's all sold by the system, all right? And you can earn multiple income streams. Then you've got your links, so you can go grab your links because your funnel's already pre-done. And then you've got all this amazing training. So you've got traffic training. Now I'm talking a lot of traffic training, Facebook posts, short form videos, long form videos, Pinterest, all the different solo ads, done for you Google ads, private traffic networks, okay, everything you need to know when it comes to driving traffic to this offer or any other offer. Because when I say any other offer, they even give you training on how to set up and build your own funnels if you want to build your own funnels to build a list and promote any other offer that you want to promote as well. All right, so they're not telling you have to promote funnel franchise. I would, but totally up to you if you want to promote something else. And they teach you, how to choose an offer, how to create your opt-in pages, thank you pages, how to set up tracking, how to set up follow-up sequences. All of that stuff is done as well. And they've got blog creation training that is going to be coming very soon. At the time of recording this, the software only just came out. That'll be there probably by the time you get in. And then we have email marketing training. Now this is some of the best email marketing training that you do not learn anywhere else. And all of this stuff that I'm going through now is free to get access to. How to verify a domain, tagging, broadcast emails, sending to unopens, getting subscribers to reply, subject lines, using AI, spam words to avoid, how to clean your lists. And then the owners of it will actually give you their monthly email schedule so you can know what to email, when to email, how often to email, all the cool stuff. And you even get a free business planning strategy session. So they'll actually come up with a business plan for you and help you out, especially if you're totally new and you don't know where to start and you're just information overload. They're going to help you out there on a free session, totally free, all right? And this is pretty much it. You can cover your stats. They've got a help desk. They've got FAQs and everything there as well, and you can check your account status and details. So this thing is by far one of the best systems I have seen. And like I said, you can join it for free down below. Now, there is an option when you go ahead and join it, you will be presented with an option where you can actually upgrade. So you can go from a free person gets all of this, so it's a great place to start, all right? And as a free member, if you go ahead and promote Funnel Franchise, you're going to end up getting, I think it's 10% commission, okay, on anything that they buy. Plus you get the internal income streams. I believe there's 5 of them. And then when you decide to upgrade and become an elite member, you go from 10% to 65% commission. So as it says here, you are literally doing more than 6xing. So you're 6 times the amount of income you can generate without you doing any extra work whatsoever. It's just the same thing. You also unlock what they call tier 2 commissions. So what that means is you'll get 10% of the revenue of everybody that you invite in when they make a sale. You get 10% revenue as well. Okay, you're not taking commissions from them, you get 10% from the company. So in other words, imagine if you had like 20 people all made a sale and you get like, I don't know, $39 or whatever it is per person. That's like another $700 for you coming in from other people's efforts. That is one of the biggest benefits of becoming an elite member as well. On top of that, elite members get another 7 income streams. So you get a total of 12 income streams, not just the 5. So you get all these extra things as well. You also get extra training on all extra, basically all these different traffic methods. And you get done for you launch promotions once per month, where they're going to provide you with a bonus page, a product that we're going to promote, a guaranteed approval on that particular product, the bonuses, the delivery of the bonuses, they create the bonuses, the emails they use when they're doing that promotion, everything you're going to need because you're building an email list and you want to generate an income from it. So by far, this thing's absolutely amazing. And to become an elite member, you can get in as low as $47. All right, it's really, really cheap. Or you can do a yearly thing, which is $397, which works out to make it cheaper again if you want to do the yearly, or you can just do monthly, whatever you can afford. I highly recommend doing the elite member thing. That's what I did because I want to earn more from it while I'm building my email list. Pretty simple. All right, so that's pretty much what Funnel Franchise is, just in a nutshell. Obviously, you can learn more about it by simply go ahead and registering your account and wander around in here yourself. Okay, so what you're going to do is there will be a link below this video in the description. Just go ahead and click on that. When you do, that's going to send you to a page that looks similar to this, where you'll actually be able to opt in to get some free training to start with, and then you'll be able to create your free account. So you're going to discover the 3 elements to building a profitable affiliate marketing business, which is what the Funnel Franchise gives you. And then you can get free access to your own automated business system as well. All right, so you build a list, you generate multiple income streams without doing any selling whatsoever. So all you need to do is enter your email in here. Okay, click this here, give it 5 or 6 seconds while it sort of loads up and does the account creation in the background for you. And then it's going to take you to here where you can register your actual account, and you want to watch this training. So there's a 20-minute training video here that shows you those 3 elements, how you can access them, what do you need them for, why do most people fail. It's going to teach you all of that in that video, and it's going to show you how to register your account, all right, which is super simple. Your name, your email, your first and last name, your email address. You just create a username and a password, you submit that, that's it, done, you're in. Then you'll see the opportunity to become an elite member. If you grab that, obviously you're a smart marketer and you want to earn more, fantastic. If you don't, that's fine. And that's just going to take you straight into your members area, ready to go and start setting things up. All right, so I can't praise this enough. I can't recommend it highly enough. I wholly and solely recommend that you go ahead and click that link in the description. You're not going to be disappointed with what you're going to learn with the Funnel Franchise system. All right, so all you got to do now is click the link in the description, go and create your account, and I'll see you in the members area, and hopefully we can chat and get to know each other in that Facebook group as well. So go ahead, click the link in the description, and we'll see you on the inside. Ciao.